I just pressure cooked 12 chicken thighs in a Kikkoman, Baste Glaze teriyaki sauce. After you're done, there is some yucky, so you have to get rid of the yucky. Hold on, wait for it. I needed some place to put the yucky. I'm just going through all the pieces and feeling them and finding the yucky. And there's some yucky. Now, if you're on my channel, you know I try to shoot very short videos, so give it a pause for the cause. And this is how you know you did a good job cooking thighs. Chicken thighs, that is. Got rid of all the yucky. You could see the meat. It's over there. Not. You can feel the meat when you extract it, and there's the juice. Obviously, we're going to get rid of the juice, but there's my chicken thigh teriyaki. And that's a yucky. Not bad, right? That's my dinner. Yummy.